Use 2 jokers or 2 of the same card for this trick. And 1 random card for prediction. Put the card between the 2 jokers. Ask the spectator to stop anywhere when you deal the cards. Please memorize the card. Hold it with your little finger, and do a double undercut. Now the spectator's card is on top of the deck. Hold under the top 3 cards with your little finger, and do a double undercut. Now the 3 cards are at the bottom of the pile. Deal 2 cards at a time on the table. Now the spectator's card is in the middle of the 2 jokers.